In this video, I am going to talk about how can you customize the footer section on your website, and yes, I will also discuss about how can you edit the footer copyright text. The entire procedure will be explained. So if you think the video is going to be valuable for you, then do press the like button and subscribe to the channel. Without any more delay, let's get started. First of all, let's have a look at how our footer section is looking by default. So scroll all the way down and here it is footer at the very bottom, right? As you can clearly see, there is nothing available on our footer section. There are some text here by default, which is basically footer credit of the person who designed this particular theme, which we are using. That is actually OceanWP theme. So before proceeding ahead, I would like to remove this particular text and add our own copyright text. The process for that is quite simple. First of all, click on customize icon available on your website. Either you can click on here or you can go to the backend of our website, and there in appearance section, click on customize, right? So click on customize icon available on your website. Here you need to click on footer bottom. So click on that. As you can see here, the first option is to enable footer bottom. So if you uncheck this box, that means there won't be any footer available on your website. So now we are actually here to edit that copyright text and add our own. So for that, click on here. So I'll write as copyright symbol and then copyright Divyanshu Decodes, all rights reserved. Since Divyanshu Decodes is our website name, that's why we have put this copyright text, copyright symbol, then copyright Divyanshu Decodes, all rights reserved. That's how you can also add your own and then click on publish, right? So as you can see here in the footer section, we have our own copyright that is the same that we have put right now. Now to design footer section of your website, what I recommend you to visit some popular website in your niche so that you can have an idea of how you want to design it, right? What I want on this website is to keep it clean and simple. As you have seen, I have added my own copyright text, and now I want to add a menu that will be appearing in footer section, which will consist of privacy policy and terms of service of our website. So for that, first of all, we'll have to create two pages that will be privacy policy and terms of services. Click on here, add new. The page name will be privacy policy and click on publish. Now the next one is click on add new. This page will be terms of service. So I'm not putting any content related to this page as of now. So what will happen is, if you click on menu called terms of service, you will be redirected to a page called terms of service, but that page won't have any content because we have not written any. Now click on publish to publish this page. Okay, so both the pages have been created. Now we need to create menu. So get back to the appearance tab and click on menu section. As you can see here, click on create a new menu. You can name this menu as anything because this name will be known to you only. So footer menu will be the name. Then click on create menu. This particular name matters only when you have created many menus on different locations of your website, and you as an admin want to know which menu you are actually referring to. Here in the left, check the pages that you want to add to this menu and then click on add to menu. Click on save. So now we have a footer menu that we can use in the widget section. So get back to the widgets. Here we need a widget called navigation menu, and this is it. Click on it and drag it and drop to the footer one section. Here it is. You can add the title if you want to, but we are going to leave it as it is. Click on select and click on footer menu because that's the menu that we have created. Then click on save. Now get back to the website so that we can observe the changes that we have made. So refresh the page. As you can see here, there is a copyright text that we have added, and also there is a menu which is appearing over here, which actually consists of terms of service and privacy policy pages. So our footer is ready the way we wanted to. You can add so many other options here by using different widgets and then dragging and dropping that widget to the footer section as we have done right now. And in case you want to add something and that kind of widget is not available there, so in that case you can install a plugin for that. We'll discuss more about this later on in this course. So that's it guys for this video. I hope you got to know how to customize the footer of your website. Still any questions popping into your head, comment down, I'll be there. If the video was valuable for you, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video for sure. Till then, take care of yourself, be happy, be positive.